Predictive maintenance is a really big value game changer for industrial manufacturers. With predictive maintenance, you can start to gather signals directly from your IoT sensors, your machines, your control systems that tell you about the health and behavior of the machine and its current condition right now. So now you're starting to see earlier and earlier warning of anomalous signals that provides you predictions that this is an early indicator of this type of failure, of this type of fault. And that early warning via predictive maintenance can allow you to take action and go prevent an unplanned downtime, an emergency failure, and a lot of very costly things that halt production, but also increase maintenance costs. It's one thing to have a connector and say, I have this data available. It's another thing for our customers to map it to the right assets and take action off of it. And I'm really excited about the features that we have coming soon that are going to help you make sense of that data automatically so that the insights start flowing right away.